So now let's see how we can work around with sequence type and Azing inside of Blender. So to do that, first of all, I'm going to draw around, let's say something like a circle right here, and then I'm going to go around into frame 30 over here, and then draw around another circle, just like this, as you can see. So I got 2 frames right here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into edit mode so that I get the interpolate option. So if I were to go around over here and then click on sequence, then what happens is that you got like a straightaway animation. So you can see that it goes from top to the bottom, as you can see right here. So let's say I want to remove these generated in between frames, then I can go to the interpolate menu right here and then remove out the breakdowns, as you can see. Another thing that I can do is choose the sequence type and Azing as well. So right now it's linear, as you can see. So instead of linear, let's say I want to go for something like a bounce right here, and then here you can choose the Azing as well. So you can go for Aze in, that is in the start of animation, or the out right here. So let me just go on to Aze out, and now let me go for sequence, and let's see how this actually looks like. So if I were to play this instead of a straight animation, now you can see that you have kind of like a bounce right here, just like that, by using the bounce effect, as you can see right here. Let me remove out the breakdown, and if I were to go to bounce right here, you can also go for elastic right here. And if I were to go for let's say right over here sequence, then this is what I have. If I were to play this, you can see that it is more like an elastic where everything is happening quite fast, as you can see right here. I can remove out the breakdown as well, and over here there's like different things like this back, there's quadratic, and so forth. So I'm just going to go around over here, and let's say I'm going to go for exponential easing right here. And if I were to go for sequence right here, then this is how it actually looks. So you can see that it slowly comes into place, as you can see right there. And that is how you can work around with sequence type and Azing inside of Blender. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.